Hi, Luke Fannin here from AIT, and this video is going to be looking at the correction of exams in the online environment, which poses problems that we haven't come across before as for a lot of lectures. Difficult to print, difficult to annotate the soft copies to keep a record of your breakdown of the student marks. So what I'm sharing with you today is how I use a spreadsheet, and particularly it's useful. It adds up each student marks, which is in totting errors. The bane of everyone's life is adding up results. Make sure you didn't make an error. And then it acts as a breakdown in case you get queries later of why did I not get such and such a mark. Your starting point is a spreadsheet. I use Excel, and your marking scheme, 3 columns, question, the question detail, the answer or the question, and then on the third column, the marks. And I have that formula driven in terms that if it's number one is adding up all those marks that are entered in there. So 40 marks. And a summary on the bottom. So there were 5 questions on this paper and students were doing 4. So it's quite easy to download a class list from Banner. I copy the student numbers, come back to the sheet here and paste special and transpose the values across. Then because I've lots of students across the way, I'm going to freeze the panes view, click on D3 there, cell D3, and freeze panes. So that will allow me to go across and I keep the detail on the left. Next, I'm going to copy the solution marks across the way. So I've copied all the marks in column C, go across to the students, and then right click and paste them down. Each student now has 120 marks, but I'm going to correct each script, and then the spreadsheet will update for each student. They don't always come nice in order, so whatever one appears first, I'll highlight it here, number 3, student 003. Update the marks here as I look at the script on another screen probably, and as I go down then the answer will update the marks, the tots, the totals. And I've deleted the marks for question 5 because it wasn't done, and I can see that student 3 got 72. Then I move on to the next script. This is what it looks like when you've got a lot of them corrected. You can see the variation of the marks. It works well for quantitative questions when you've got, which may have quite detailed breakdown 1s and 2s, and you can go down and you can give the marks according to the solution. The summary at the bottom is important to make sure that no student has marks for a question they didn't answer. You can input student names and CA later. And then it's easy to copy that, paste special, and transpose the values, and you've got ready for upload to Banner. Thanks for watching.